And then we get back into this space back here, where this is your bunk room. And actually, I should show it like this first, because I think first and foremost, this is a bunk room. Put this down, flip this down, and you have basically a full-size to queen-size bed there with that bunk space, and that desk is also the legs for that bunk. So that desk is going to hold that bunk in place, and you have a nice huge size bed here. Easily could sleep an adult couple, and then, I mean, this could sleep like 3 kids. Then you have the L-shaped bunks here that go across as well to give you additional sleeping. Ladder here that is a retractable ladder. Kind of nice because this could be multi-purpose. You could use this for things other than just your RV. And then that will attach right in here. Open that up. Open that up, you have all that storage. And then you have window there with pull down blackout shade and a window there with pull down blackout shade. Both windows do open, and one more window down under here with a pull down blackout shade. So all those open. You have outlets here, and you could put a TV on this wall if you want. Outlets down here and USB ports, and then you have this cargo door area where you can slide anything in here while you're in transport, or just always have access to get into this portion of the RV from outside as well for whatever you best see fit. It does have a sliding pocket door, so you get this privacy here as well. And then, of course, as you saw when we walked in here, this whole thing, it's kind of heavy, not gonna lie. It's a little heavy to do with one hand. You flip it up. Okay, there we go. Flip it up and latch that into place. Latch this into place, and you now have a desk. And there is a couple things I really like about this. This is where I was talking about the ottoman. You can bring that ottoman into here and have a seating bench with that, or whatever kind of seating arrangement you want. But this desk here is so big. I mean, it's the length of the bed. You can fit multiple monitors on here. You also have holes on each side so that you can run electrical cables down underneath. And then down underneath, you have a big storage space down under here, and then you have outlets and USB ports over here as well. So this is a really practical work solution for people that are looking for a desk as well in a bunkhouse, where you really get both. You don't have to have one or the other. You can have it all in this model. So I really love that. I think this is really cool what they did. You let me know your thoughts down below in the comments of what you think of this space. But I think this is a really, really cool thing that I could see based off the questions I've got over the past year or so. This is gonna check a lot of boxes for a lot of people. So I'm really excited about that. And that's pretty much everything in this back bedroom space. Let's go back up front, where you're gonna have your main bedroom and bathroom.